Hi Achal, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good.
How do you feel the quality of girls this year in Miss Rajasthan?
I was just talking about this year, the kind of confidence I see in the contestants is truly amazing. I've never seen the contestants coming and having the clarity of what they have to say, how they have to say. They're really, really prepared this year.
They're capable of speaking regional languages also. One of the girl was talking in Bengali when you provoked her.
Exactly. I mean, even on my jury sheet, I have contestants. I can see that they're from someone's from New York, someone's from Byawar, someone's from Jodhpur. I mean, it's very diverse this year.
How do you feel about being a judge?
It's always amazing, and being a judge, what I really like is not just sitting down and giving the marks and actually judging them, but trying to be more helpful. And because I know they stand there and see me as their own shadow, so I need to reflect what they really want to be. So that way.
What do you say about OTT platforms and modeling versus both the careers are there? So would like to be a modeling career or OTT platform acting career?
Me? So my journey has been very different. I have always been very academic. I try to balance between glamour, business. Since I am an event planner now, I run a project management based firm called Andra. So my field has become very different, but still I try to relate and network around people which I am similar to.
Who inspires you most?
Myself, I think, because especially in the in the recent 2-3 months, I've been through different domains and different people I've tried to connect with, and I've learned a lot. And the only thing that is in my mind constantly every single day is just to be better. So the only focus is being better.
Wait, do you know acting?
Maybe.
What do you say about latest OTT movie of Netflix, Hiramandi? Hiramandi.
I really, really loved Hira Mandi. I was, since I'm connected to music, the kind of music that Hira Mandi had was truly, truly amazing. I remember that I was just constantly looped in with the same songs for almost like 2 months. So I was really happy listening to that.
Okay, Achal, which is the last song you downloaded from internet?
It was Harik Pal from by Ashu Shukla.
Okay, which is your favorite actor?
Siddharth Malhotra is someone that I admire.
Okay, something about your beautiful figure and skin, no? How do you manage this?
From all, amongst all the queens, I am someone who is almost in the bottom category of doing skincare and makeup and styling. But it's just who I am. I always focus on being more confident and being honest and transparent about things that I do.
How about you wearing today a very nude lipstick, very nude and very light lipstick? What is the secret about it?
It was just a lipstick that I was not using all throughout these months that I bought. So I was like, okay, I am going to use it today, but it's just going out.
You wanted to look very, very casual today or what?
I always look casual. You will always find me casual. Whenever I'm doing a proper makeup or some makeup artist does something on my face, just like half an hour after that, everyone will come to me कि यार आंचल दीदी आप बिना मेकअप के ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हो, don't do that. So I'm over it now, and I feel more confident and better through my own skin.
I just have a very personal question with you. Like we had met in Rambagh with Miss Globe worldwide,
Yes.
Diana.
Yes.
And I had noticed that you were having a very, very kind of female gaze on her. What you were so impressed about her, or what is that emotion or any kind of welcoming gaze you gave her?
Nothing that I can really recall of, but what I as a person believe in is I don't see women or any other queen around me as a competitor, or I am truly neutral. It has several reasons because I'm over in the industry for almost like 7 years now. I'm over everything. I've learned a lot. I have explored a lot. So for Diana, particularly, I meet people and then try to understand what they are, kind of communicating through their body language and stuff. So she was She was so gorgeous. I just couldn't stop staring at her, and
Okay.
had a good time with her.
And about you, you saying that you are already like overused. I mean, overexposed to the pageant industry.
Yeah.
So you think it's a saturation point for your career or what?
I was Miss Indian Diva 2019. I represented India in 2 international competitions at China. I won like 5-6 international titles already, and then I was really, running fast during my pageant time. So yeah.